Subscribe and hit the bell icon and never miss another video.
Hi guys, this is Pallavi Manoj from Miss Malini, and today I'm super excited because I get to talk to someone who I'm a great fan of. You know her very well for the movie roles she's done. You love her for her acting chops. You are mesmerized by her dance moves, and now she's ready to blow us away with her singing. And I'm talking about none other than Madhuri Dixit Nene.
Hi Pallavi, how are you?
I'm good. I'm so excited. I heard your song. What inspired you to do this, to release a single at this time?
I have to tell you the whole story now that I was there in Sad Bisla, who runs A&R Worldwide.
Mm-hmm.
He listened to my voice. There's something about your voice, why don't you sing?
Yeah.
And we got together with Narendra Singh and Michael Oakes. So we got together into a room with my husband, me and everyone there.
Right.
And we said, so okay, what kind of a song do we want? The first song that I do. And I thought that, sometimes in your life you feel like you're cornered and you are like, there's so many hardships and you feel like you can't overcome them.
Right.
And reach deep into your heart, find that little spark and, make it grow like fire basically and say, no, I'm going to. And I think it happens in your life. So it was a very relatable emotion, and also for me as an actress, that was one of the things everyone goes through. There are highs and lows, and sometimes you are like, you feel nothing's working, or So I had done the song keeping that in mind. But when I looked at the world today, and I saw the uncertainty and the kind of hardships people were going through, and I thought the song would be a wonderful way to say that there's hope, there's positivity. Just keep the positivity and keep the hope going, because you're like the candle in the rain or hurricane to shine brighter. And that's what we all need to do basically to get, and we will emerge winners. We will come out of this. And so that was the emotion, and that's exactly what the song is saying. And I thought it'd be beautiful to drop this song at this time, because everybody is feeling it, and everybody wants a bit of positivity to feel good about themselves, and we are going to. And that's why we dropped the song right now. And I also dedicated the song because I feel the candles which are burning the brightest right now are the frontline workers, the doctors, the nurses, the police, the sanitation workers. They all are working day and night just to keep you safe and keep you healthy and nurse you back to health and send you home. And so we thought we should do this song right now. And our hurdle, was how to shoot it. How do you do that during quarantine? And so we decided that let's do it ourselves. So we went on YouTube, Ram went on YouTube, and discovered how lighting is to be done. For us, we just go on the set, somebody does our makeup, does our hair, we do the set, the DOP is already lit up everything, so all we have to do is and do our bit. But this was like a learning experience. We have to do everything by ourselves. Yes. So even the lighting was done by us, and Ram, controlled the camera, and we took different shots from different angles. And I thank all my teams, because it takes a village to make something happen, to create something. It's a whole process.
Right.
So the team at Matrix, or my music team, and R&M, my own office. We make so many videos for Dance with Madhuri. And Prashant, we sent everything, we bombarded him with the whole file from every angle. And he had to put the whole song together, and we told him that this is how we want it to be, and this is what the song should convey, and this is what it should say. And so, everything was done, and it was.
That's amazing, because we got to see a glimpse of Dr. Nene and your son, in fact, a little bit helping you out here and there on your Instagram. So how was that? Because like you said, as actors, you don't know what's going on, maybe to set up and stuff. So now do you think when you go back on set, you'll be like, okay, this is what's going on? And
yes, I know what is the right light. Oh, this is the correct light. Don't give it from here. Thoda sa utha, whatever, It's crazy.
Yeah.
There's so much there's so much you can learn just being
Yeah.
at home.
Mhm.
And this has been a whole learning experience these 2 months.
Mhm.
And like you said, Aaron had helped me on my perfect performance
Yes.
on I for India.
I for India, yeah.
I for India, and he was so helpful. He, found out how to play the whole song, and then we kind of rehearsed together. And he said, "Okay, this, and then we kind of worked it out, and we.
That's amazing. So will we get to see a mother-son collaboration now that we are in lockdown?
He's in the 11th. He has to study first.
But since he's been so helpful,
on 29th May, and he has to complete all his work before that. Of course, yes, I would love to do a collaboration with him, and I would love to do something with him because he's a very gifted, talented musician. And yeah, definitely, he's also producing his own little music, on by himself. And so I want that to grow, and yeah, definitely yes.
That's amazing because we saw a glimpse of him like playing the tabla also while you were practicing your Kathak, while you were doing your riyaz. So then he seems to be into music.
Yes, they've been learning. Both my kids have been learning the tabla for 4-5 years, piano for 5 years. They've given some tests and exams for piano, and they can even play the drums. So they love music. Both of them love music. The younger one is a little more inclined towards science, and he's a STEM guy, he says. Science, technology, engineering, and math. That's what he does. I think it's basically because he's not as outgoing as the older one. He's a little on the shyer side. And he's at that age, he's at 15.
Yeah.
So let's see. Let's see what happens.
So everyone wants to know, now that your English single is out, if there's a single that'll be coming out in Hindi or some movie that you've been singing in.
I think there will definitely be more singles. There will definitely be more in English. I'm not saying I won't sing in Hindi or something, of course. But I'm going to take it one step at a time.
One step at a time.
Yeah, because Candles are released and I want to see what the reactions are and then take the next step.
You are known for your dancing. Now you'll be known for your singing as well. You're a duo threat now.
I will dance to my own tune.
Yeah. When are we going to literally see that?
Soon.
Okay. I think you already sang like in Hindi for Gulab Gang and like maybe a few glimpses in like Aaja Nach Le and Devdas also like here and there. Like, so like in Hindi, if you're offered like a song, which music director or like singer would you like to collaborate with?
Definitely A.R. Rahman. I think I love his songs. He's a fabulous music director, a musician himself. He is fabulous. He sings also so beautifully. So definitely, I would love to do something.
That's amazing. About Candles, coming back to Candles, when Dr. Nene or your sons heard it for the first time, the recorded version, what was their reaction?
From the beginning, I think he's responsible for me singing. You should thank him. Yes, and he likes to do. He's always supportive of me, and he makes sure that I do things right. And there's no half-heartedness, And even I have the same approach. If I do something, I've got to do it well. Otherwise, I won't do it. And so it's a great team. We are a great team. So it was good. They liked the song, and when I showed them the picturization, because they had heard the song before.
Yeah.
But showed them the picturization. There were a few suggestions my kids had, like changing a few shots. That's going too soon. Maybe that should come a little later, and those kind of things.
That's amazing. When you were acting, did you ever think I'm going to release my single one?
But the thing was that when I was in school, I used to be on stage all the time. I used to be singing, I used to be in the dramas, I used to be dancing. So everything was on stage. For me, my school, I just remember being on stage all throughout my school years. Yeah. So even in my college, it was Sati College. I went on the stage and I belted out an English number and everywhere. So it was, I was brought up because I was in a convent English school. We spoke English, sang in English. So it was natural, it came naturally to me.
Right.
But after that, I started early, I started working early in films. And so I got really very early in life. And by the time I was married, and then I was having babies, and so didn't really get time to devote
Mhm.
to this.
In terms of like singers, who's one singer you love listening to?
Asha ji, Lata ji,
Classic.
Shreya. Out there in the West, of course, I have a lot of favorites. Whitney Houston, I think she has a beautiful voice. Celine Dion, I like the diva kind of voice.
Diva, classic.
Adele, I love her voice.
Yeah.
And so Barbara Streisand, she had a beautiful voice.
Yeah.
There's so many.
Yeah. It's amazing. Okay, like other than Candles, because currently you're promoting it and you've been singing it and you've been working on it. Other than that, what's one song that has been stuck in your head lately?
No, I think I have not listened to music for some time. But Perfect is stuck with me because I sang it.
Because
So
you
for
sang
that,
it, yes.
and everything. So that was stuck for the longest time in my head.
That's amazing. And finally, like during quarantine, you've been really busy. According to your Instagram, you're like fully packed. But what does
Yeah, I started doing my classical, like the Kathak again. Riyaz karna shuru kiya. Then I work out. When I'm not doing Kathak that day, I work out. I spend time with my kids. That's people have always complained in their lives. That is very ironic, actually. That we don't get time to do anything for ourselves because we are so busy and we are so busy. Now you have time. Make use of it.
all the
Spend
time
it
in the
with your
world?
family. Because what happens when you're busy is that dinner is the only time when the whole family comes together.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the kids have homework, the husband has work, you have work, so you're everywhere scattered. So we are making the most of this time, to spend family time. Then trying to do, like, I had not read a book for a long time. Finally, I read one, and this shooting, because I did. I even shot for a promo for Dance Divane from home.
Right. Yeah.
So we had to work out what kind of shots do we want to take, where to take, working all that out. So we've kept ourselves busy otherwise also, and work-wise and otherwise.
Have you been watching anything? Have you been watching any series or movies that you are catching up on?
Recently, we watched Knives Out, which was an Oscar nominee.
Knives Out.
Very interesting and great to see 007 doing a very different role, in that. And so it was great. And yeah, we're catching up. Then we watch Netflix sometimes. Like we just saw the series Queen of the South, and then we watched some Money Heist. That is also another series.
Amazing. So finally, Madhuri, what is one message you want to give out to your fans in these times?
Well, I would just say that, be like the candle in the rain and burn brightly, because I'm sure we all are going to come out of this together and stronger. So stay home, stay safe, do everything you can to stay safe. Wash your hands, wear a mask if you need to go out, just wear a mask. Make sure you keep the older people in the house separate, and just be, and just do whatever you want. This is the time where you have been given a compulsory break, and make the most of it.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Madhuri, for chatting with me, for chatting with your fans. Thank you so much, and all the best for Candles. I'm sure it's going to be great. I hope we get to see many more singles of yours, and of course dancing and movies and everything else. Thank you so much.